What if I told you there is a type of AI that doesn't just respond to your questions, but actually thinks ahead, makes decisions and completes entire workflows without you babysitting it? Yeah, you are right. That's an AI agent. Hi everyone, I'm George from Cubeo AI, and in the next few minutes I'm breaking down the definition of AI agents, how they differ from regular chatbots and AI assistants, and why they represent the future of autonomous AI systems. By the end, you will understand exactly what makes AI agents so powerful and how to build one in minutes. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is an AI agent? AI agents are software systems that use AI to achieve goals and complete tasks on behalf of users. They show reasoning, planning, and memory and have a level of autonomy to make decisions, learn, and adapt. The keyword here is autonomy. Unlike traditional AI that waits for your input, AI agents are proactive. They can work independently to achieve specific goals you set for them. What makes this possible? Well, this is thanks to the multimodal capacity of generative AI and foundation models. These agents can process text, voice, video, audio, and code simultaneously, making them incredibly versatile. According to Google, there are 6 core features that make AI agents so powerful. First, we have reasoning. They use logic and available information to draw conclusions and solve problems, just like a human analyst would. Second is acting. They don't just think, they do. They can send messages, update databases, trigger processes, and interact with the real world. Imagine it interacts with your CRM and does actions on behalf of yourself. The third one, we have observing. They gather information from the tools they use or their environment they have access to and make observations. The next is planning. This is huge because they develop strategic plans, identify necessary steps, and choose the best course of action to achieve their goal. The next is collaborating. They can work with humans and other AI agents to tackle complex tasks together. The sixth one and the last one is the self-refining. They learn from experience and continuously improve their performance over time. Google also makes a crucial distinction that most people miss. AI agents are autonomous and proactive. They perform tasks independently and are goal-oriented. AI assistants are reactive. They help users with tasks but require human supervision and decision-making at each step. Regular bots follow predefined rules. Think about if-then-else rules. They are limited, have basic interactions, and can't really learn or adapt. Think of it this way. A bot is like a vendor machine. It does one thing when you press a button. An AI assistant is like a helpful colleague who answers when you ask. But what is an AI agent? That's like having a virtual employee who takes initiative and gets things done. AI agents have 4 key components. Persona. Each agent has a defined role, personality, and communication style that stays consistent. Memory. This is critical. They have short-term memory and long-term memory. Short-term memory for immediate interactions and long-term memory for historical data and past experience. The next thing are tools. They can connect to external functions and resources, APIs, databases, web browsers, anything they need to complete tasks. And finally, the model. The model is the large language model that serves as the brain, providing the ability to understand, reason, and act autonomously. Here is an example of an AI agent. Persona. This is the role of the AI agent. You are a salesperson with 10 plus years of experience in enriching contacts and researching their company. The second thing is the memory. The agent has access to the current conversation, like this is the short-term memory. And it also has access to a database where it stores the successful steps it did before with other contacts and how it found their data in order to understand how to do the research for current contacts. This is the long-term memory. The tools, this type of AI agent, should have access to a few crucial tools. One is the LinkedIn profile scraper. So because we say here you have access to different tools and you receive the person's LinkedIn profile, it has to have a way to scrape that LinkedIn profile. And that's why we need this LinkedIn profile scraper. The next one is the web browser to find relevant information about the company. The next tool it needs is the web scraper to scrape the company's website and check their products and services. And the last tool it has to have access is the find person email, because we ask here that it should return us their email address, company products and services, company industry, company website. It has to have a way to find their email address. And that's why it needs the find person email. And finally, the model we chose GPT-4.1. Okay, so now let's recap the 3 key insights. The first one, AI agents are autonomous systems that can reason, plan, and act independently to achieve goals. The second thing, they have 6 superpowers: reasoning, acting, observing, planning, collaborating, self-refining. The third thing, unlike assistants or bots, they are proactive problem solvers that work without constant supervision. Now, let me quickly show you how easy it is to build an AI agent inside Cubeo AI. Let's take the previous example. So once you logged into the Cubeo AI platform, you will see this dashboard. Here you have the AI agent builder. This is an autonomous AI agent that creates other AI agents. So what you have to do here is just explaining what you want your AI agent to do. So I prepared already a prompt. So I need an AI that receives the person's LinkedIn profile and it autonomously finds and returns me their email address, company products and services, company industry, and company website. So this is the previous example. I'm going to send this prompt to this AI agent builder and let's see how it builds our AI agent. Okay, so in a couple of minutes, it built us our AI agent. As you can see here, it picked the same tools we discussed before. So let's try it. Let's take my LinkedIn profile and send my profile to it. Okay, it firstly scrapes the LinkedIn profile. Then it researches my company, like Cubeo AI. And then it scrapes my official company websites. And now it tries to find me my email. So it found me my email correctly. It found the website and it found what products and services do we offer, and some additional business insights and so on. That's it, and that's how you can build an AI agent in Cubeo AI. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Keep building, guys.